Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, we learned about while loop in PHP. In this video, we will learn about do while loop. So this is my playlist where I am uploading all PHP related videos. You can follow this playlist to learn the PHP completely. You can bookmark this for your future reference. So let us start the video. Let me open the same folder which we are using in this playlist. We are inside htdocs, inside them, and doing all my PHP related work here. Learn PHP folder. So I will open it. Let me create a new PHP script to understand do while. This is our lecture 11, so I will name it as L-11 do while dot PHP. Let's start a script here. Less than symbol, question mark, PHP. Enter, then question mark, greater than symbol. So before proceeding to code, let me explain what a do while loop is. Do while loop is very similar to while loop in working, but there is one key difference. That is that do we use do while loop when we want some code to be executed at least once. So let me take a simple example to understand the syntax of do while loop and how it works. So we'll take the same example. We will print from 1 to 10 using do while loop. So the first thing is we will initialize a variable, that is $I equals to 1. Then the syntax include do. The code we want to repeat will be kept inside this do statement. So we'll simply print $I here, or we can use I equals to $I, and for the next line we will use a br tag, and we will increment the I value on next iteration. Then in do while loop, condition is checked after code blocks, like I said. Then inside while there are parentheses, there we specify the condition while $I less than equal to 10, and then semicolon. So this is the main syntax of do while loop. Unexpected commas. Okay, I missed the semicolon here. So first we write the code block inside the do that we want to execute multiple times, and after that inside while we give the conditions. So let us check the output. Our file name is L11 do while .php. So you can see it is printing from 1 to 10, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So let me explain how it is working. So first we have initialized the value of I as 1. Then it will come inside that do block. It will print the value of I, which is 1. Then it will increment the value of I from 1 to 2. After that condition is checked, you can see the difference here. In case of while, we first check the condition, then code block is executed. But in case of do while, first code block is executed once. After that condition is checked. Now I value is 2. It is still less than 10. So it will execute the code block again. So it will print the value as 2 and increase the value from 2 to 3. Again condition is checked. 3 is still less than equal to 10. So condition is true. It will execute the do block again and print the value as 3 and increase the value from 3 to 4. And again the condition will be checked. 4 is still less than equal to 10. So the condition is satisfied, so it will print 4. So this cycle continues until condition becomes false. At the end, when I value is incremented to 11, then this condition will become false and the execution stops. So this is how do while loop works in PHP. We mainly use do while loop where we want to execute the do block at least once, because irrespective of the condition, do block will always be executed once. So this is all from the video. If you find video useful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.